Good morning, students. Today I will teach about gross domestic product from economics first lesson. Then, learning objectives of the lesson. To know about the meaning of gross domestic product. Then, to understand the basic various measures of national income. Then, to understand the composition of GDP. Then, to know the contribution of different sectors in GDP. Then, to know the economic growth and development and its differences. Then, to know about development based on GDP and employment. And last one, to understand the growth of GDP and economic policies. So, these are learning objectives of this lesson. Okay. Then, let us see national income. Definition of national income. National income is a measure of the total value of goods and services produced by an economy over a period of time, normally a year. Commonly, national income is called as gross national product GNP or national dividend. These are called national income. Okay. Then I am going to teach about the various terms associated with the measuring of national income. First one, gross national product GNP. Gross national product is the total value of goods and services produced and income received in a year by domestic residents of a country. It includes profits earned from capital invested abroad. GNP equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M plus NFIA. C equal to consumption, I equal to investment, G equal to government expenditure, X minus F equal to export minus import. NFIA, net factors income abroad. Okay, these are the gross national product. Second one, gross domestic product GDP. Gross domestic product GDP is the total value of output of goods and services produced by the factors of production within the geographical boundaries of country. These are called a gross domestic product. And third one, net national product NNP. Net national product NNP is arrived by making some adjustment with regard to depreciation that we arrive the net national product NNP by deducting the value of depreciation from gross national product NNP equal to GNP minus depreciation. Okay, these are net national product. And fourth one, net domestic product NDP. Net domestic product NDP is a part of gross domestic product. Net domestic product is obtained from the gross domestic product by deducting the quantum of year and year expenses depreciation. Okay, NDP equal to GDP minus depreciation. Okay, these are called net domestic product. And the fifth one, per capita income PCI. Per capita income or output per person is an indicator to show the living standard of people in a country. It is obtained by dividing the national income by the population of a country. Per capita income equal to national income by population. And sixth one, personal income, PI. Personal income is the total money income received by individuals and households of a country from all possible sources before direct taxes. Therefore, personal income can be expressed as follows: PI equal to NI, corporate income taxes minus undistributed corporate profits minus social security contribution plus transfer payment. These are called a personal income. And last one, disposable income, DI. Disposable income means actual income which can be spent on consumption by individuals and families. Thus, it can be expressed as DPI equal to PI minus direct taxes from consumption approach. DI equal to consumption expenditures plus savings. Okay, these are various terms associated with the measuring of national income. Okay, thank you students. One more thank you.